Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I want to tell you about how I reheat and reuse food so that it tastes amazingly delicious like the first day. So we're going to take 2 pieces of chicken breast and we're going to reheat them in the panini grill for a minute. And of course, you might not want to do both at the same time if you're doing one today and one tomorrow. So here we have both, and the first one we're going to add to a salad. So I have my cut greens, I bring them out and cut my breast, and I'm serving this beautiful salad of things that I had in my fridge mixed in a blue, very nice vase or container, and then in nice serving dishes. They can be white, they can be anything. Just have a couple of nice dishes so that your food looks better and it's gonna make you feel great, especially when it didn't take you more than a minute or two to get everything together. So we put all our greens in our plate, and then on top we place our chicken. On the side we have some brown rice that we warmed, and you're gonna see in another video of reheating and reusing rice. And we put it on the side. Now you don't have to use the rice, but I have it just in case you want it, so you see how it looks without the rice and with the rice. You see? It's a whole meal that looks amazing in less than 5 minutes. We reheated and reused the rice and the chicken. Now for the second one, we're going to use some onion and cherry tomatoes. So our onion, I cut it very thinly in the mandolin, put it in the pan with a tiny bit of oil, and then I added some water, which is what's actually boiling right there, and some cherry tomatoes. That way it would pick up all the delicious flavors from the bottom. So I got out a piece of French bread from my freezer, put it on the panini grill for a minute so that it warmed up enough so that I could cut it, then opened it in half and reheated it for 30 seconds. I added these delicious onions and the other chicken breast. Just place the chicken breast on top of my bread and serve the salad on the side. Check it out. 2 amazing meals, delicious with reheat and reuse hack. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.